Chapter 8.1 Dictionary in Pygame 0. 1. What is dictionary in Python? Let's use the dictionary in Pygame 0.
What is dictionary?
Dictionary is used to store data values in key value pairs. Dictionary is written with curly brackets and have keys and values. The key is a string. The value can be any data type.
What is the difference between dictionary and list?
A list is a collection of ordered data and allowed duplicates. A dictionary is an unordered collection of data in key value pairs and does not allow duplicates. Since dictionary items are not ordered, they cannot be accessed by index as in a list.
Why do we use the dictionary instead of the list?
Item searches on large datasets can be made much faster by using the dictionary.